When you drive a retired police vehicle, you're going to get some attention. And sometimes that attention can come from the actual police. I was behind a Hendersonville police officer at the Taco Bell, and he obviously noticed me in the rearview mirror. So he's going to pull forward and go to the front of the restaurant. And when I pull up to the window, he actually comes back, I guess, to investigate, because he's curious as to what's going on with me in this vehicle. What do you think this is about? This is about to be some BS. Hello?
Hi guys.
Oh God.
What's up?
How you doing?
All right.
Is this a personal owned car?
Yes, sir.
Where'd you get it?
State of Tennessee.
You said state of Tennessee?
Yeah, it's a THP.
car? Gotcha, okay. I was just looking at it and I was like, I can't tell if that's one of our counties unmarked or what. And I was texting one of the county guys. They're like, yeah, we don't got one of those. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any like police impersonation.
Oh, no.
No big deal. Like I said, I just wanted to check. We had a guy doing this kind of almost a year ago in a Ford Explorer trying to pull people over and stuff, do traffic stops, and wasn't a real cop. So got your GPS pulled up, you got a phone there.
Yep.
I don't know what the camera's for, but might just be you driving around cutting jokes and stuff, but sounds cool.
How's it going, James G?
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, well,
thanks.
Y'all have a great night.
Yep. Thank you.
You're not impersonating a cop if you're not dressed like one, right?
Right, yeah.
All right,
thanks.
Good night.
All right. I talk more than I wanted to, but it's whatever, Overall, not a negative experience at all. After this happened, I actually pulled up the dispatch radio chatter, and here's what happened.
55, copy vehicle check. 55, go ahead. It's going to be at Tacoville on Indian Lake on a black Ford Explorer.
Yeah, he wanted to see if we were all decked out with a bunch of stuff in here or whatever, right? Wait till he's the same guy who checks on me when I'm in the Ghostbuster. That's one of the reasons I like to have the Ghostbuster on the doors. It's like I'm clearly not impersonating a cop because it has a light bar at top. I don't like that idea of having that light bar and having them assume,
Yeah.
When these agencies sell these vehicles, they will take off any reference to the organization itself. Like, you can't have the word police on your vehicle or sheriff. I think they don't even like if you have enforcement on there. So they'll remove those decals and things like that. They'll take out the emergency equipment. They'll take off the light bar because you can't have any blue flashing lights anyway. The only thing left on this particular vehicle was the push bar on the front, the searchlight, and the cool cop wheels. Those black wheels with the silver chrome center caps. I actually like that he came to inquire, because then, since I'm in this area a lot, perhaps the police, if they see my vehicle, they'll know what's up. Make a video of that. Doesn't make him look bad. I uploaded the video of the dude peeing, and then I was like, dude, I'm going to blur his face out because I don't want to get murdered over.
What's 2.5K QHD?
What the heck?